guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have this tutorial for you. It's a Christmas hat situation. I did get the inspiration from a post I found on Facebook. If you guys are interested in learning how to do this look, then just keep on watching and bye. All right, you guys, so the first step is to add a primer or conceal your lids. I'm using the MAC 24-hour concealer in the shade NW22, and I'm just going to add a little to my lids, and I'm going to blend out with my beauty blender. I am going to take a light green eyeshadow from my Norvina 3 palette. I am taking A4. And I am taking a 224 brush from MAC. And I'm going to deposit this into the crease. And I'm going to bring it up pretty high, just so that once we cut it with the red base, it's going to still show through, which is what we want. And you guys, these eyeshadows are so freaking pigmented. Like, do you guys see how pigmented this is? This is like my favorite palette right now. If you guys haven't seen this in store, definitely check it out. All right, so now I'm picking up the shade E1, which is that green shade, and just any like fluffy tapered brush. I'm going to start packing this on the crease, upper crease, and I'm just going to stamp it so that we get the maximum pigmentation that we want. So I'm kind of just stamping the color, you know, from inner to outer corner. All right, you guys, so this is kind of like the hard part of the look. It's creating, you know, like the little hat shape. So I'm gonna use these wipes from Walmart. And I'm just gonna take a little piece and wrap it around my finger. So I'm just gonna wrap it around my index finger, and I'm going to clean the area up where I'm going to apply the red. And I do this so that the colors don't mix and you get like a true red color. So this is like the tricky part. Perfect, and this is like the shape that we should have. And I'm going to fill that in with MAC's Dance With Me liquid lipstick and a flat brush. So I'm going to use these two to fill that in. And I'm just going to follow underneath the green. My Norvina palette, Norvina 3, and I am going to take C2, which is this nice red shade. Looks a little more orange on camera, but it is more of like a Christmassy red. So I'm just taking a Wet n Wild flat brush, and I am going to begin packing it over the shade that we just applied, or the base that we just applied. All right, so with the makeup wipe, I am going to clean up as you guys saw, there wasn't a lot of fallout. And I'm also going to take the wipe and coin a little bit on the lash line so that we can add the white for the glitter. Now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I am going to fill in that little gap that we made, create that little ball situation here. To set the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I am taking Forever Lit, which is from the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette, which is super old. But I'm just going to use that to set this. For the glitter, I'm taking one of Urban Decay's glitter squeezy tube things that I have, and I am taking a little brush, and we are just going to pack it right on wherever we applied the white pencil. And since I wanted a little more coverage, I took my Tarte Foundsealer foundation, which is actually like my top 3 foundation formulas right now, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that just to give my skin more coverage. And for concealer today, I want to use I'm gonna use a little bit of my Born This Way in the shade Almond, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer in Light Peach, just to brighten it a little bit, or a lot. I'm also gonna take a little bit more of the Too Faced one, just like wherever I need more coverage. And I'm going to blend with my Beauty Blender. To set my concealer, I am going to use my Dermablend powder. It's a little sponge. All right, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use a little bit of Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish powder from MAC. Just like a little bit, just to set everything. For bronzer, I am using MAC's Delicates bronzer. This was from a couple summers ago. I have so many backups of this, it's ridiculous, but it's my favorite bronzer of all time. For highlight, I am using MAC's Double Gleam Highlighter with a 184 brush. Yes. So pretty. I'm gonna take the blush brush and just kind of marry everything in together. Perfect. For the inside of my eye, I am taking my Kiko eyeliner in the number 48, and it's such a pretty green eyeliner. I am just going to put this on my waterline and lower lash line. So I went ahead and smudged that liner, and now I am taking C2 from the Norvina 3 palette, and I am going to smoke my lower lash line. All right, you guys, this is the final look. It was so much fun to do. I did have to tweak it a little bit off camera and bring this one up a little higher just to make it even. If you guys did like the video, if you did like the look, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. It's under Mac_slapped, and I will post looks of, you know, this and other looks, I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.